Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact device model and OS version because options differ across builds. Once done, back up display settings and any clock profiles. Make sure you can restore them if needed. Now open Settings, then Display or the Clock app, and locate the Time Display Toggle or Overlay entry. This is where the change starts. You'll need this precise entry to remove the time safely and avoid altering unrelated display elements. Once you've located the control, disable the clock overlay or the status bar time toggle and apply changes. Watch the screen to verify immediate removal. If the toggle is missing, inspect App Permissions and System Overlay apps and revoke any display permission that draws the time. For stubborn cases, use Safe Mode to isolate the app, or make sure to use ADB with the correct package and component names to disable the component. This removes the time without To finish, reboot the device and recheck every user profile and home screen widget for residual clocks. Sometimes widgets re-add time after a restart. If the layout breaks, restore your backup and re-enable components one at a time to identify the culprit. If the time persists, clear app caches and check for firmware updates. Make sure to test between steps. If nothing works, a factory reset is a last resort. Remember why you disabled the time, and restore only what you need afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.